Viewers, it's Emmanuel, the CEO of Global Consult Limited. In this video I will be teaching you 8 great skills you should learn during the lockdown or your free period. There are millions of people that are stuck in their homes now with very little to do. Honestly, this could get quite frustrating. Being locked down in a house by yourself doing nothing for a week is long enough, but when that week turns to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, things can start to get very frustrating and problematic. Use this as an opportunity to learn new skills that are fulfilling and that has financial values during and after the lockdown. You should not jump at learning all the skills, but you can pick maybe 1 or 2 depending on your ability to multitask and perfect them. Learn skills that meet the following criteria. 1. A skill that has immediate impact on your life, career or business, not a skill that takes years to start producing results. 2. A skill that you can learn from the comfort of your home or from a computer. 3. A skill that would not take years to learn, one you can learn in a month or a couple of weeks. 4. A skill you can learn at your own pace, and in your spare time. Skill number 1. Learn how to code. For those of you who likes working with computers, coding skill is extremely valuable. Don't waste this time on doing other things, begin to start coding. Coders, programmers, developers, software engineers, website designers will always be in demand, especially with the lockdown, so learn how to program with CSS, Java, HTML, PHP, etc., as companies will definitely want to virtualize most aspects of their business more than ever before to avoid total shutdown in case of similar occurrence in the future. You can maximize online platforms like Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, YouTube, etc. Skill number 2. Learn a new language. Learning a new language is something many of us say we wish we could do but never get around to actually doing. So why not use this time to learn at least one for yourself, as you may have the opportunity to work or study abroad after the lockdown. Whichever language you choose, whether English, French, Spanish, Chinese or Swahili, could make a big difference, as it would help you do business a great deal with foreigners and also make you more employable by boosting your resume or CV. Some of the apps that can help you do these are Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise, Rosetta Stone. Skill number 3. Learn how to make money from home. Make some cool cash from the online job market. Online job opportunities like graphic design, video editing, voiceover and many others are available at Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, Freelancer, Remote Tasks, 99 Designs if you are a graphic designer, and others. You can use Phopap for selling graphic photos, the ones you already have on your phone. Toluna, if you want to take surveys and earn, etc. Skill number 4. Learn photography and videography. You, as an avid photography fan, new to the craft or an expert, can pick up tips, polish existing skills, and further your interest with an online photography class. You can take advantage of the free courses and platforms like Udemy, Coursera, photographycourse.net, Allison and Shaw Academy. Skill number 5. Learn copywriting. Maybe you love reading and writing a lot, learn how to get value for it through copywriting. This is all about rearranging words or a great piece to make things sell better for companies online. It's not just what you write but how you write it to get people to want to engage with you. Every single social media post, every single ads, every single learning page online are done by copywriters, so you can train yourself to be one of them. Companies are always in need of copywriters to help them write emails, write their social media posts, etc. Use a platform like copywriting.network to start selling your great write-ups today. Skill number 6. Learn a craft. This involves a variety of activities with one's hand like knitting, sewing, beadwork, makeups, and any other of interest to you. This is the best time to get involved in those indoor crafts you've always wished you have learned, as these can be learned in a short time and also has great monetary value in the long term. You can make use of apps like 5Minute Craft, DIY and Craft to learn variety of things from the comfort of your home. Skill number 7. Learn to cook. While many people will understand how to shove something in the oven and leave for 15 minutes, there's a big difference between just cooking and knowing how to cook. With so much time available on your hands, now is the ideal time to get creative in the kitchen. If you have got a sweet tooth, Why not try your hand at baking cookies or brownies? Take advantage of YouTube. Watch videos on how to cook those food you really wish you could cook and their recipes. You can also make use of apps like Tasty, Yummly, Food Network Kitchen, etc. Cooking is a skill that's valued by everyone and also has monetary rewards if you're exceptional. Skill number 8. Get a new hobby. Learning a new hobby helps keep your mental health in check, which has a drastic impact on your life. Learn hobbies ranging from playing a musical instrument, artistic drawings, dancing, etc. Of course, they all have financial value if perfected. Take advantage of online platforms like YouTube or apps like Musician, Simply Piano for piano, uBreaker or Chord for guitar, etc. It's time for you to go get started. Comment if you find it helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click the notification icon for more educating videos. Stay focused.